Hi there! In this video, we'll walk through how to properly use your GeneDx Buccal Sample Collection Kit. First off, it's important to note that anyone who is providing a sample should not drink or eat anything, including gum or candy, or smoke, for at least 30 minutes beforehand. Go ahead and open your kit if you haven't already. If you'll be swabbing a child, it may be helpful to prepare something for them to focus on, so that you can more easily perform a thorough swab. If you'll be collecting samples for more than one person, complete one kit at a time. All prepped? Let's get started. Go ahead and remove one swab from its packaging. Keep the swab attached to the tube and avoid touching the sponge tip. Next, place the sponge on the upper inside of the left cheek. Sweep or drag it back and forth in this area at least 10 times. Repeat the sweeping motion in the middle and lower sides of the left cheek too. Do not rub the teeth with the swab as you sweep. Holding the tube upright, unscrew the blue cap without touching the sponge. Turn the cap upside down and insert the sponge into the tube with a liquid solution. Screw the cap on tightly. Now give it a good shake, up and down, 10 times. Now that the sample is collected, fill out one of the provided labels with the full name and birth date of the person whose sample is in the tube, as well as the date the sample was collected. Then stick the label onto the corresponding tube. Do not cover the existing label. If your kit includes more than one swab, repeat these steps with another swab for the right cheek. Finally, put the labeled tubes into the biohazard bag with its absorbent sheet and seal it. Put this back into your kit box. Every sample must be accompanied by a completed sample info card. You may have also received a consent form. Fill them out now and place your completed forms into the kit box. If you're collecting a sample for yourself or another person, do that now, repeating the previous steps. Insert the kit box into the FedEx pack. Separate kits for multiple family members can be sent together in one FedEx pack. Attach the prepaid FedEx label to the pack and drop it off at a FedEx location. Contact GeneDx for assistance if a FedEx drop-off site is not available. Turnaround times vary depending on the test that was ordered, but results are often available in a few weeks and will be sent to your doctor, who will review them with you when they're ready.